This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to create a blog. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. Look for the blog section in the left-hand menu. If you haven't added a blog yet, you'll see an option to do so. Once added, you can select a layout that perfectly matches your site's aesthetic and content needs. This sets the foundation for your new online presence. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to create your first post. Click the Create New Post button. Start with a catchy title that grabs attention, then dive into your content. Remember to break up text with headings and paragraphs for readability. You can easily add images, videos, or even GIF to make your posts more visually appealing and engaging for your readers. Make it shine. Wix offers extensive customization options for your blog's appearance. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even the spacing between elements to match your brand. To keep your content organized, use categories and tags. This helps readers find relevant posts quickly. Don't forget to manage comments and engage with your audience. Responding to feedback builds a strong community around your blog. It's all about creating a great experience. Before hitting publish, take a moment to proofread your post carefully. Check for any typos or grammatical errors to ensure a professional presentation. Once you're confident, click Publish to make your content live. Then, share your new post across all your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Consider basic search engine optimization, like using relevant keywords, to help people discover your amazing blog. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.